Sometimes you may also be facing the problem that Wi-Fi option will be missing in your Windows 10 PC. Wi-Fi not showing up could be due to a fault in your hardware or an issue with the router. Additionally, using outdated drivers can also cause this problem. In this video, we are going to tell you about some such solutions which can solve your problem by following them. So watch the video till the end and please subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. In this video, we will discuss all these. Fix Wi-Fi by checking computer hardware. 10. And your computer hardware such as the network card that may be causing the problem. Go to Start menu and search command open it with Run as Administrator. Here you type ping 127.1.1.1 and then press enter. If you're getting this kind of response, then there is nothing wrong with your computer hardware. Now we move on to the second process. Fix Wi-Fi service running or not. To check whether Wi-Fi service is working or not, press Windows plus or on your keyboard. Type services.msc and click OK. By doing this, you will get this screen. Now go to WLAN Auto Config. Make sure this application is running. If it's not, click on Start. Now right-click on it and go to Properties and select Automatic. Click Apply and then click OK. Now you have to restart the computer. Now we move on to the next steps. Fix Wi-Fi by reset internet settings. To reset the internet, press Windows plus R and type in netball.cpl and click on OK. Go to Advanced. Now click on Restore Advanced Settings and then Apply and press OK. Once this is done, we move on to the next step. Fix Wi-Fi by network reset settings. For network reset, first go to the search menu bar and then open Settings. Now go to Network and Internet. If you still see the Wi-Fi option missing on the settings screen, scroll down and click Network Reset. This reinstalls all your network adapters. You just have to click on Reset Now option. Your PC will restart or reset your entire network and your problem will be resolved. If this does not solve your problem, then we move on to the next steps. Fix Wi-Fi by Run Windows Network Troubleshooter. Go to the search menu and find Troubleshooting Settings. And open it. You will see the option of additional troubleshooters. Click on it. Go to Internet Connections. Run the troubleshooter, click on the box. This will detect your problem. Click on Troubleshoot my connection to the internet. If there is no problem showing here, then your Wi-Fi option will start showing to you. Now we continue the next step. Fix Wi-Fi by resetting and refreshing all network profiles. Go to Menu and search CMD. And open it with Run as Administrator. Here type the command netwinsock reset. on the screen and press enter. You will see that it has been completed successfully. You need to restart your computer. But before that, we will enter another command and then restart our computer. Type the command netch and IP reset log.txt. And press enter. After doing this, things will be reset. Now restart your computer and check whether Wi-Fi is showing or not. Then proceed to the next step. Fix Wi-Fi by system configuration. For system configuration, first of all, you have to open Run command by pressing Windows Enter key. Type config in the box and click OK. You will see a screen like this. Go to Services. Disable all services by selecting Disable All and then click on Enable All. Click on Apply, then click on OK. Now you have to restart your computer. Now let's move on to the next step. Download and install Intel Wi-Fi driver. First of all, go to the menu bar of your PC and search Device Manager. Click on the network adapter option visible on the screen. If you do not see Wi-Fi option and the network adapter option, so you just have to open any browser of your choice. And in the search bar, you have to search Intel Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10 or 11. Open the first website. You will see available download options on the screen for Windows 11 or 10. Select the download option according to the system and click on the download button. In this way, you can show Wi-Fi option on your PC. Hope your problem will be solved by following all these solutions. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share the video. Have a good day.